What up everybody, it's your girl Minnie Moss with another video planned for you guys today, and today's video is quite possibly the most natural makeup tutorial that I have ever done on my channel. Please ignore every noise you hear. I'm recording a lot later, so pretty much everyone is at home, which means the news is on, my brother's next to me on his computer, and my talkative father is also watching the news as well, so you'll probably be hearing a lot of that throughout this video. But I just really wanted to have a talking video because I haven't done like a full-on talk through video in what feels like forever. So without further ado, we'll just jump straight into the makeup. And yes, this is also my daily routine that I do for work. I'm just finding this to be the easiest, especially when I have to be up and out of the door in like 20 minutes kind of thing. So just to begin with, I'm just gonna grab a clip and get that pesky fringe out of my face. That looks real good. Now, funnily enough, in the mornings I actually prefer to do my face makeup before my eye makeup, mainly because if I have to get out of the door real quick, at least I have my face done, and if I don't have time to do my eyes, then I just don't worry about it. So I usually just jump straight in with the BH Studio Pro Foundation Primer, and I just apply that all over my face with my fingers. Then when that's all done, I usually just jump straight into foundation. I've just picked up this new foundation today because I run out of foundation quicker than most people run out of what's the most like a commonly used item? Water? No, I don't know. So this is just the Essence Camouflage 2-in-1 Makeup and Concealer Foundation. I've not actually tried this before, but I've heard good things, so I guess you're getting like a first impressions at the same time. And I'm just going to apply that with my Urban Decay foundation brush. I do quite like this foundation. It's quite like lightweight, not too full coverage, which is quite, you know, whatever, you know, it's a foundation, it's a base. My brother's sick, so sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump in again to just the Essence Camouflaged Full Coverage Concealer as well. Again, haven't used this, just picked it up today, and I'm just going to use this in all of the concealer places, such as my under eyes and just on any blemishes, as well as around my nose here. Then just going in with a sponge, I'm just going to blend that all out. Once I have concealed, I usually jump in with the BH Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette and grabbing either the second or third one, so this one or this one, depends on how I'm feeling and how dark I want to go. I just grab a pineapple / fish, whatever you want to call it, brush, and I just use that to carve out my jawline and my cheekbones, and then I grab the Real Techniques contouring brush, which is this one here, for my nose, using that second colour every time. Once that's done, just going in with setting powder, I'm just going to grab the Essence Mosaic Compact Powder. I'm hoping this isn't going to be too dark for me, so we'll see how it goes. And just grabbing a really massive fluffy powder brush, I'm just going to apply that all over. Once I've done that, I usually just go in with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette, and usually just grabbing the brush that comes with the palette. So this little doobie here, I just go in with the medium shade of cocoa here, and I just go over the top of where we did the cream contour. For y'all who wear glasses like me, I feel your pain with that indentation just there. But trust me when I say there is literally nothing you can do about it. Once you finish with that contour, I don't normally go on with blush unless I'm really feeling blushy. So I'm going to go in with highlight. So I just got the Sleek Cosmetics highlighting palette. And I'm just going to go in with a fan brush, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, above my eyebrow, and just like the tiniest baby amount on my chin. Once I've done that, I just go in with eyebrows. So just grabbing the BH Studio Pro eyebrow pomade in the shade Blonde, as well as the Essence eyebrow brush. It's real cute. And I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows like I usually would. Once that's done, I just jump in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And I'm going to be going in with just straight up peaches and cream in Georgia, mix them together, and then just put it all over my lid and into my crease as well. Once that is done, I'm just going to go in with my eyelashes. So I'm going to grab 2 mascaras this time, not 3, because I don't want to be putting waterproof mascara on my eyelashes this late at night when all I'm going to have to do is take it off. So I'm going to go in with the number 1 and 2 step mascara from CoverGirl, the Bombshell mascara, and then also the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara on top of that. Once I've done with them, even though they are a little bit more clumpy than what I like or what I am used to, I'm just going to roll with it, roll with the punches, get used to it sort of thing. I'm going to stop talking with the language. Usually after that I just go in with like a natural coloured lipstick or a brightly coloured lipstick, depending on how my mood is. Today we're going to be going in with a naturally-ish coloured lipstick. So I'm going to be grabbing the shade 20 Natural Frost, and this is, I believe, CoverGirl. I believe it's pretty old. So I'm just going to apply that to my lips as I usually would. And there we have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. Again, probably the most natural tutorial you will ever see coming out of this channel. Unless, you know, one day I have an urge to do another natural makeup tutorial like this. I don't know why I'd do that, but I don't know why I did it this time, so whatever. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, if you did count the amount of times this boy over here coughed, let me know down in the comments below. That will be the trivia for today. Yeah, I love you all so much, and this is Minnie Mouse 16 out. Bye guys.